English can be everywhere around you, and yet you can still feel stuck. I know that feeling, so I want to go through 8 English learning mistakes I keep making. Maybe you'll recognize some of them too. I kinda needed this list to remind myself that I still take breaks from English sometimes, and they somehow last longer than I plan. 1. Translating everything. The first mistake is translating in my head. Sometimes I hear a sentence in English and immediately look for the translation, or I try to translate my thoughts before speaking. It makes speaking slower and less natural. I'm trying to think more in English, but it's still a work in progress. 2. Being afraid to speak. Even now, I sometimes hesitate before speaking. I think, what if I say something wrong? But every time I avoid speaking, I lose an opportunity to practice, so I'm trying to become more comfortable with making mistakes. 3. Trying to sound like a native speaker. I'm not even sure what my accent is. Probably a bit of CIS vibes. And honestly, I don't even know which one I should aim for. American or British? I compare my pronunciation to native speakers and think, why don't I sound like that? But then I remind myself that communication is more important than perfection. People don't need a perfect accent to understand you, honey. Well, unless you're literally chewing every word. 4. Not using English enough. Surrounding yourself with English, like switching your phone and other devices to English, isn't enough. I know that because I'm still somewhere in the middle of my English learning journey. Trust me, I'd be fluent by now if it was. I watch videos in English. I make videos in English. But then I realize I'm not actually using the language, and that's the problem. To really improve, I know I should use English more in real life too, like talking to people, joining communities, having conversations, but I'm also a pretty introverted person, so that part is not always easy for me. 5. Expecting results too fast. This is definitely something I still struggle with. Sometimes I want to improve faster. I want bigger results. And when progress feels slow, it can be frustrating. But language learning takes time. There is no shortcut. 6. Not expanding my vocabulary. I keep using the same basic words over and over, and a lot of words I learn, I don't really understand them in the context. For example, I might know a word like improve, but in real life, I still just say get better because it feels easier. Or take a word like break. I know what it means, but then someone says break a leg, and I'm like, wait, what? Then I hear things like coffee break, break the news, or break a record, and suddenly I realize that one word can have a lot more meanings than I thought. So my vocabulary feels kinda limited, and I end up saying the same things again and again. 7. Ignoring grammar or pronunciation. Sometimes I focus too much on speaking and forget grammar. Other times I focus too much on grammar and forget speaking. Finding balance isn't always easy. I haven't opened a grammar book in ages. I just kind of dropped it completely. The same goes for pronunciation. I'm not trying to sound perfect, but I do want to sound clear. 8. Comparing myself to other learners. This is probably one of the hardest mistakes. Sometimes I see people who speak more fluently than I do, or people who seem to learn much faster, and it's easy to compare myself to them. But everyone's journey is different, so I'm trying to focus more on my own progress instead. Of course, I'm still learning English. I'm still making mistakes, and honestly, I probably will for a long time. But that's okay. Learning a language isn't about being perfect. It's about improving little by little. It's like a plant. It doesn't grow overnight. but it grows with time. If you're learning English too, which of these mistakes do you relate to the most? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.